welcome to Prettymagmag. I am Mike. If you know it, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I post twice a week. I post more about social media, to be specific, Facebook. On today's agenda, I'm going to be showing you guys how to ghost name on Facebook. If you are interested, keep watching. Let's get into the video right now.
I'm that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch.
So I jump right into the video, and for today's tutorial I'm gonna be using the original Facebook. So first I open my Facebook. So I logged in my Facebook, and where I want to go next, I click the three lines at the upper right corner. So once you click the three lines at the upper right corner, it's gonna bring you here. Next, where you want to go is settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings. This is where you will come, and you are going to see account. You'll see personal and account information, password and security, payment. Where you're going to click next is personal and account information. So once you click personal and account information, you're going to see name, contact info, identification, confirmation, account ownership, and control. You are going to click on the name. Click on name. And this will be your next step. All you have to do is copy and paste the ghost name, which I am going to pin in my comment section. You are going to log your YouTube account in Google Chrome to copy the ghost name. So you just delete your name and then paste. And then paste the ghost name. That's it, and do the same with the last name. Paste. So once you are done, you are going to click review change. Click the review change, and once you review change, this will be your next step. Please note, you won't be able to change your name within the next 60 days. You will have to put your password. You have to input your password before you save the changes. So once you've put your password, you just click the save changes. So done. After you are finished, this is how it's gonna be. Now let's go check it out. This is how it looks like when you are using the original Facebook. Let's see how it looks like when you're using Facebook Lite. And it worked perfectly. Look at it. Oh my god, there's no name. Let's see the view as. Let's see the view as. So it worked perfectly. The ghost name worked perfectly. Please don't forget, I'm going to pin the name in my comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching. I am Mike. If you know that again, and I will see you in the next video.
I'm that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch.